In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPod 4s to your laptop or computer, so here's what you need to do. So first things first, make sure they're disconnected from your phone. So to do that, go ahead and swipe down and just hold down on your Bluetooth settings and make sure that you've got no AirPods connected. In fact, I'm just going to turn my Bluetooth off automatically so it doesn't get confused. Now what we can do is we can open up our AirPods and we need to get them into pairing mode. So to do that, close and open your AirPods, and then if you double click on this orange light, it will then start flashing white, and this means it's in pairing mode. Now what we can do is we can head over to our computer and type in here Bluetooth. Now once you've typed in Bluetooth, it will open up this window here. Now on this window, it will show you all of your Bluetooth devices which have been connected before. Now at this point, make sure that your AirPods are still in the pairing mode and they're still flashing white. Then go to Add Device in the top right hand corner on Windows. Then go to Bluetooth, and then if your AirPods are flashing and in the pairing mode, they will appear in a second. So as you can see, my computer is recognizing the AirPods as headphone. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see what will happen. It will find the AirPods, and as you can see, they've now gone to red, and you can see here that they're connected for the mic and audio. So we can go ahead and then click done, and there you go, your AirPods will have connected. Here you can see if we go to other devices, the AirPods are showing right here, and that is how you can connect them.